Ready?
And I can't look.
What do you mean you can't look? You gotta watch. We're doing a volcano. We're not sure if we should be doing it outside. Oh, Charlie, look at it go. Get closer. Look at it.
It's supposed to go in there.
Look at the lava coming out.
Oh.
No.
Boom!
Stand there. Boom!
Hey, Dad.
What?
How come it's not red?
Oh, it is red. How come it's not red? It is red.
Can I touch it?
That wasn't very much.
No, that was kind of deflating.
That was not so much. That was a lot of work.
What do you think, Charlie? Was that cool?
Not cool for me.
It wasn't very cool for me either.
Let's just dump it out in a garbage can. And I put it in and smash it all over the place.
Maybe next time we better try to
Do some more.
10 tablets.
That sound good? Nice.
Do you want some swine? Give him the swine.
There's some H1N1.
Give him the swine.